What if I told you that the secret to making viral videos has almost nothing to do with the camera? Seriously, what if you could build a massive audience without a crew, without a big budget, and without ever shooting a single frame of your own footage? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today.
I mean, of course you do, right? Who doesn't? We've all seen them, those videos that just explode out of nowhere and rack up millions of views overnight. It feels like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. But you know what? The real secret isn't about fancy gear or perfect lighting. It's about mastering the art of story.
Just think about the explosion of motivational videos online. They're everywhere, and they often follow a similar formula: a powerful voiceover, some epic cinematic music, and a really well-chosen collection of existing clips. The result? An experience that's just incredibly moving and super shareable.
Or what about the rise of these deep dive documentaries? The ones that explore the careers of financial geniuses or tech icons. These creators are masters at pulling clips from old interviews, news reports, and public events, and then weaving them into a totally new, compelling story. They're building entire channels without ever hitting the record button themselves.
Okay, so this all sounds great, but it brings up two giant hurdles for any creator. First, the cost of original, high-quality footage can be absolutely insane. And second, if you use someone else's stuff, you're always worried about getting that dreaded copyright strike. So, how do you actually navigate this minefield?
So yeah, this is the big dilemma, isn't it? You need amazing visuals to stand out from the crowd, but getting them is either way too expensive or legally risky. It can feel like you're stuck in a catch-22, but I promise you, there is a clear path through all of this. Because here's the thing. The secret isn't the footage. It's not the camera you use, or the lens, or the cool location you shot at. The most powerful, most effective tool for creating a video that people can't forget is something you already have right now. It's like filmmaker Ross Hawkrow said, the most important editing tool is your mind. It's not about what software you use, it's about the decisions you make. Every single cut, every clip you choose, it has to serve one thing above everything else: the story. A truly powerful story can make even the simplest visuals feel absolutely epic. And get this isn't just some artsy, abstract idea. It's actually rooted in hard science. A neuroeconomist named Paul J. Zak discovered that stories that are driven by characters literally change our brain chemistry. They cause our brains to release a powerful neurochemical called oxytocin. This means you have the power to connect with your audience on a biological level. How cool is that? Our brains are just fundamentally hardwired to connect with stories. It's in our DNA. So when you tell a good story, you aren't just entertaining someone for a few minutes. You're kicking off a powerful neurological response that builds connection, empathy, and really deep engagement. Okay, so a key part of how this works is our mirror neuron system. It's amazing. When we watch a character on screen show an emotion, like through a pained facial expression or a gesture of pure triumph, our own mirror neurons actually fire up in response. Without even thinking about it, we start to feel what they're feeling, and that creates this powerful subconscious bond. And that empathetic bond then gets supercharged by oxytocin. People often call it the moral molecule. It's the chemical that pushes us to connect with each other and cooperate. So a great story literally makes your audience trust you and feel closer to the message you're sharing. It's brain chemistry. The really smart storytellers know this, and they tap directly into it by using powerful emotional triggers. A video that makes you feel genuine joy makes you want to share that amazing feeling. A video that brings up a deep sense of nostalgia, that builds trust. These emotions are the fuel for viral content because they create impressions that actually last. Okay, so we've established that story is king. That's the creative side. But let's get practical. How do you actually use all this existing footage without getting yourself into a bunch of legal trouble? This is where you have to understand a really critical and often really misunderstood concept in U.S. copyright law: fair use. In the U.S., the courts weigh 4 key things to decide if a use is fair. First, the purpose of your work. Is it transformative? Are you adding new commentary or a new meaning? Second, the nature of the original. Using factual content, like news, is generally safer than using a fictional movie. Third, how much did you use? A small, essential clip is always better than using the whole thing. And fourth, and this is a big one, the effect on the original's market. Are you basically taking money out of the original creator's pocket? It's a balancing act, for sure, but understanding these principles is your best line of defense. Now, let's just clear up a huge myth that's floating around out there. A lot of creators think that just giving credit to the original owner is enough to claim fair use. It is not. I mean, giving credit is a nice thing to do, but it will not protect you if you've just re-uploaded someone's work without adding new meaning. Being transformative is always the key.
And here's another common mistake: thinking a disclaimer will save you. You've probably seen it, right? Putting "no infringement intended" in your description. That has zero legal weight. None. Those are not magic words. Your protection comes from how you transform the content, not from a sentence you write underneath it.
So the theory is solid, but does this strategy actually work in the real world? Let's look at a fantastic case study that puts all these pieces together beautifully. We are talking about the YouTube channel Phineas.
So this is Phineas, a channel created by a guy named Rocky Shu. In just a year and a half, he built an audience of over 83,000 subscribers by creating these stunning documentaries about icons of the finance world. And here's the incredible part: he did it all from his living room, without ever shooting a single frame of his own footage. So how does he do it? What's his secret? Well, his method is a perfect blueprint. First, he finds the drama. He does deep research on his subjects to find the core conflicts, the struggles in their lives. That's the story that triggers the empathetic response we talked about earlier. Then, he sources existing clips from all over, he crafts a totally new narrative with his own voiceover, and he fills in any gaps with other relevant visuals. It is truly a masterclass in transformative storytelling.
All right, we've covered the brain science behind why stories work, the legal framework that makes this possible, and a real-world success story. So what does this all mean for you? Let's boil all of this down into a clear blueprint you can start using today.
First, and this is the big one, always remember that the secret is story, not expensive footage. Second, leverage that brain science we talked about. Create character-driven narratives that build real empathy. Third, you've got to understand fair use. Don't just copy someone's work. Focus on creating something truly new and transformative. And finally, find the drama in existing content to build a compelling story that is uniquely yours. This is how you create videos that people feel they just have to watch and share.
At the end of the day, creating powerful content without a camera isn't about finding some kind of shortcut. It's about tapping into the most ancient and effective communication tool we have as humans: storytelling. I mean, the human brain has been wired for it for thousands of years. So the only real question left is, what story will you tell?